Right, we're on. I'm back in action. We're taking a journey. This is a journey to find the amethyst crystal. So, as we're leaving this country, I have a beer and Moretti. We're not actually going there, but just symbolic really. And I do have an amethyst crystal. This is actually from the same region where we're going to be making the journey. So we'll get straight into it really. So, prepare yourself to take this journey. The space becomes tangible and energetic. It is your method of transport. Take a few breaths to bring about a relaxation of the physical body. Relax your gaze into the space to make a transition in time. You close your eyes. You are on a journey to Brazil. Out of the clouds, you can see forests. You can see rivers. You see the wildlife. Then you see a road. This is the road that you need to follow. It goes through villages. You are heading for the region of Minas Gerais. Finally, you see hillside ranges. There is mining here. You stand outside the caves. There are freshly mined geodes being loaded into a lorry. The miners are on a break. You step inside a cave and travel downwards. You can see where there has been mining. And on the ground there are small chunks of amethyst. You look up at the ceiling. There are veins of colours. Other minerals are present. You can hear sounds of some of the miners are still working. They have uncovered a very large geode. You are looking for the amethyst crystal. You go further into the cave. You see a light above you on the ceiling of the cave, like it is following you. You reach a fork in the cave. The light moves onto the right-hand fork. You realize this light is guiding you. The cave narrows. It is getting darker. The light above you glows brighter. On the walls you can see the twinkling lights of crystals. The cave goes on and on until it reaches an end. Where to now? The light above you has moved. you think, where has the light gone? You see it on the wall in front of you. It is revealing a niche in the wall. It is big enough to put your hand in. You look into the niche and see some sort of lever. Nothing to lose. You put your hand into the niche and grasp the lever and pull. There are many sounds, and you perceive the wall moving. You step back. Light comes from what lies beyond the wall. The wall opens up, and there, in front of you, is a chamber full of light. You step inside. The walls are covered in amethyst crystal. There are 2 large pillars of amethyst. The floor is amethyst. The ceiling is amethyst. In between the pillars is an amethyst table. And there, hovering over the amethyst table, is the most beautiful amethyst crystal. It is shining, rays of light are coming from it. You stand in front of it. This is the crystal that you have made the journey to find. It hovers at the level of your third eye. You become connected to the crystal. The crystal is relaying information to you. And then it stops. You are instructed to take hold of the crystal. It needs to go back with you. Take hold of the crystal. Energy pulses through you. Your mind opens up into the cosmos. Then suddenly, you are travelling back from Brazil. You have left the mines. You have travelled back across the country, and you are approaching rapidly your present time-space. Now you make the transition by slowly opening your eyes into the space. Bring attention to the objects and the ground beneath you. Take a few moments visualizing your amethyst crystal. You have brought it back. Now you can use the crystal for yourself, and you can use the crystal for others.